Toby again here with the 216 Custom Auto Restorations. Doing the 59 El Camino, still wet sanding it with 600 grit. I just found another spot with a little bit of the black because I used the black as a guide coat. I've explained in the previous video. There's still a little bit of black pigment from the paint on here that I want to get rid of. I sanded the car with 320 and undoing it with 600. I just wanted to give you an example of when you see these types of things, you can go ahead and clean them up. So on this one here, with the 320, you can still see, if I get this wet enough here, you can see the scratches from the 320 grit. Hopefully you can see those. Hopefully this foam is picking those up. What I'm going to do is take this 600 again and give you a pretty good example, I hope, of how the 600 will take away the 320 scratches. Just got my pad wet here again, just dipped it in the bucket. You can kind of tell because you can look at the bottom of the pad and you can see if you're starting to get any stuff on there. Just take it, dip it in the bucket, rinse it off a little bit. This is a pretty easy process. It just takes a long time. You're basically just washing the car with water and a pad. Just takes about 4 or 5 times longer. I'm gonna jump up on the side here, wipe this down. So it looks like I got all of that black pigment out of there from the guide coat paint. Trying to get the 600 grit scratch to show up, which is a pretty fine scratch, especially compared to a 320. Hope this doesn't get too confusing or too boring for everybody. Just trying to give you good examples to help you with your projects. Yeah, you can see that the 320 grit scratches are pretty much gone. So that's what you gotta do, just keep working at it. I would say I'd probably spend about, with 600 grit wet, I'd probably spend about, just on this roof here, probably, 15 minutes doing that, which seems like a long time to wash a roof. But depending on what you find, and you wanna make sure you get all those 320 grit scratches out, and make it a 600 grit scratch, which will really make the car look really nice when the paint is applied. And I'll show that an example of that Mopar hood that I briefly touched on a little bit. Do a little more tutorial type thing on that one. Anyways, everybody, thank you for watching. Toby with 216 Custom Auto Restoration here in beautiful Montana. Take care.